black coffee every morning. Okay, here's the first one. How would you change this indirect speech? Said answer. Sarah said that she drank coffee every morning. The indirect speech sentence is I become she. Okay, that's the step number one. Change the pronoun. Drink, which is the present simple tense, becomes drank. Simple past changes into simple past. This is the second step, that is called backshift the tense. There are no time or place expressions in this example, so we don't need to step 3. Okay, let's move on to sentence number 2. Sentence number 2. Naveen said, I am learning to play the guitar. Okay, how would you change this? Stop the video and try it. Naveen said, I am learning to play the guitar. So, the answer is Naveen said that he was learning to play the guitar. I changes to he because here subject is Naveen, so I changes to he. Am learning changes into was learning. So present continuous tense changes into past continuous tense. Next sentence, my son is graduating next week. She said with great excitement. We see the reporting close. She said with great excitement. She said with great excitement. This is what reporting close. At the end of this sentence, this is very common. So, how would you change this? When we change a sentence to indirect speech, we almost always put that reporting clause of the beginning. Which reporting clause? With great excitement. Like she said with great excitement that the word my son become her son, and we backshift the tense. Present continuous tense changes to past continuous tense. So, my son is graduating, and next week is a time expression. We can either say the next week or the following week. So, answer is she said with great excitement that her son was graduating the next week or the following week. Now, number 4. I quit my job a week ago. He confessed to his wife. Confessed means that he admitted the truth to his wife. So, how do we change it? He confessed to his wife that he had quit a job a week before. Notice that in the indirect speech, indirect quote, okay, the verb is already in the past simple tense. Quit. When we backshift the past simple verb tense, it changes to the past perfect. Had quit. And ago changes to before in indirect speech. That's just a rule. Okay, next sentence. Hema didn't come to work yesterday. The manager told me. Okay, Hema didn't come to work yesterday. The manager told me. Try to change it. The answer is the manager told me that Hema hadn't come. Okay, Hema hadn't come. Hema hadn't come to work the previous day or the day before. Didn't come is a past simple negative. Okay, which changes to hadn't come. Past perfect negative. Then we have yesterday. You can see. Then we have yesterday, which becomes either the previous day or the day before. Both are correct. So the manager told me that Hema hadn't come to work the previous day or the day before. Now, sentence number 6 is a little challenging. The kid told his parents, I was watching TV and the power went out. How would you change it? So, the kid told his parents that he had been watching TV and the power had gone out. So, was watching is a past continuous verb. It gets backshifted to a past perfect continuous verb. So, was watching changes into had been watching. Okay, and the power went out is a simple past. It becomes the power had gone out. Now, next one, sentence number 7. I have seen the movie 3 times already. I explained. So, answer is I explained that I had seen the movie 3 times already. Have seen becomes had seen. That means present perfect changes into past perfect. So, this means if you have present perfect verb, it changes to the past perfect when you backshift it. So, what about this sentence? Sentence number 8 now. We have been waiting for over 2 hours. They complain. Answer. This change into indirect speech. They complained that they had been waiting for over 2 hours. Have been waiting is a present perfect continuous verb. It gets back shifted to had been waiting. Past perfect continuous. Now sentence number 9. I will pick up at the airport tomorrow. He promised. Okay. So answer is he promised that he would pick me up at the airport the next or the following day. Here we see the modal verb will has been changes into its past form would, and tomorrow has become the next day or the following day. Both means the same thing. Now with the verb promise, you can also make the sentence like this. He promised to pick me up at the airport the following day. This is a special use of verb promise. So, using to plus an infinitive verb. That also correct. Okay, number 10. I would like to buy this necklace, she told the shop assistant. Here, modal verb would is used. This is already a past form and there's no way to backshift it. There's no past perfect for modal verb. So we just say she told the shop assistant that she would like to buy that necklace. Okay. So we can change this necklace to that necklace or that necklace. Both are okay. So remember that necklace changes this necklace changes into the necklace or that necklace. Most of we use that necklace, this changes into that. Now sentence number 11. The girl said, my brother and I are going to have pizza tonight. This one is little tricky. We start with the girl said that, and then we have my brother and I. This becomes she and her brother. Okay, only with I we put the other person first, like my brother and I, my friend and I, John and I, etc. But with other pronoun, we put the pronoun first, like she and her brother are going to becomes were going to. Okay, am is changes into was, are changes into were, and tonight changes into that night. Now, if we had am or is going to, we would change that to was going to. But here we have are and that becomes were. Tonight becomes that night. So the girl said that she and her brother were going to have pizza that night. Sentence number 12. I can speak 4 languages. Okay. Chad boasted, I can speak 4 languages. So, to boast means to brag or talk proudly about yourself. Try to change this. The indirect speech sentence is Chad boasted that he could speak 4 languages. Notice that can has become could. Sentence number now 13. Sano said, comma, inverted comma, we may go to Japan on vacation. The answer, Sano said that they might go to Japan on vacation. We become they. May change into might because that's the past form of may. Now, sentence number 14. His driving instructor told him, you must obey traffic laws. So, answer is his driving instructor told him that he must obey or had to obey traffic laws. Must can either say same or you can say had to. But if you have mustn't in the sentence, then you have to say mustn't. For example, you can see I have written the example, given example here. So, for example, the police officer said you mustn't park here. So, answer is the reported sentence is the police officer said that I mustn't park there. So, mustn't stay as mustn't. But when we use must, then we can use must or either say had to. Sentence number 15. Okay. Her father said you should take your studies more seriously. So answer is her father said that she should take her studies more seriously. Should is already past tense of shall, so we leave it unchanged. This is true of all the past tense modals we show would before. Similarly, we don't backshift could or might. We leave them as they are. Now, I will send you homework and the pick of homework. You have to send me your homework on my personal number with name and class.